Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Today, doing some work on my truck. I need this. Gotta go pick up a trailer this weekend with my brother. He had to buy one because the insurance company's not helping him out, and with this house that they totaled but haven't even bothered to start working on yet, and they tried to pay him some money to go rent a hotel, but there's still none available in town. So we're gonna install this in my truck and we're gonna go pick a camper up for him. All right, it's got a little bracket to mount it, and the unit. And I had to get a pigtail for it, but he got the one for the 14, not for the 13 like I got. So make sure everything plugs in right, which it does. So we're gonna have to cut these to make it work. Now the wires on the Chevy 1500 are right up here. Oh, I can't see it with the camera in my hand, but get some light in there. They're right up here in a bundle right here. So I got to get up there and cut it out and bring it down so we can wire it up. Alright, okay, I got them all down. Still need to strip them all, so we're going to work on that. Alright, all those are stripped. I cut the end off the other thing, which I cut it off, and I'm going to strip these wires too on here. They're all stripped too. Alright, next step, let me get some butt connectors. Alright, I'm going to put my first butt connector, I'm going to put all my butt connectors on this unit first. And grip them tight. It makes it a little bit easier to just wire away as we go. Oh, I'll twist this one a little bit so it rides in there correct. Get in there, sucker. There we go. Alright. First wire I'm going to cramp is my 12-volt power wire. I know it's not hooked up at the engine side yet, but it's still a hot wire, and I prefer to do that one first in this kind of setup. So I'm going to go ahead and cramp that. And I'm going to take a second and stretch my leg. Okay, next one will be to connect the blue wire to the blue wire. Oh, I got a hanger. The blue wires blue and the red ones are thick wires. Come on. Peel out. There we go. There we go. Tight fit, but that's good. And we crimp that wire. Next one is the white wire. White goes to white. And the blue and red wire goes to, let me plug it in, I want to make sure. But I think the blue and white wire should go to the brake. Oh, I gotta have a damn key on this truck. And my damn key's in my pocket. Alright, hang on. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, the blue and white wire connects to the red wire. That should be the brake signal, I believe. Let me look at the paperwork. Boom, boom, boom. Stop light, yep, that's it. So, we'll put this one together. And we're gonna cramp it. Alright, that should be everything on this. Now we check and make sure I hooked everything up. Okay, we got that. I don't know all the functions on this thing yet. I'm still gonna learn, but gotta make sure the brakes work. So see that little red light comes on, goes off, and make sure that's saying that the brakes are being activated on here. So next step is to mount this little sucker. And let's see, there's a hole here. Multi-tool, and we're going to take this screw out right here. And making sure there's no wires behind this thing, so when I screw the next piece in, it's not going to screw through nothing fancy, nothing I need. So we'll just put that in. Should work just fine. So let's get this. Yeah, that'll work. That's out the way. And need a 1/4 inch bit to use these screws. So, little bag of screws. Maybe I won't have to drill it, but it'll no way. Yeah. And these look like they just use the same screws and tap it in. So I'm gonna show you on this side, and I'm just gonna go do the other side afterward. It's down one. Yeah. And that's screwed in. Alright, that's done. Gotta tape it up.
Gave you plenty of room though, huh?
Yeah, I'd use the bracket. Or I had to use that the other harness as well. It would have been long enough, I guess. I could have cut it and did it direct, but
Yeah, it's better that you got it plugged in case that machine goes out, you can just replace it without having to keep you off.
And I'm going to have to zip tie it up into place. So I'm going to do that in a minute. I'm going to go to the outside and show what's next. Alright, into this step, take this off. Push down here and pull this wire out. It sits on the side. Put it on that lug. With a good washer, locking washer on it. And the nut. And this on the side here. And just tighten her down. It's a 1/2 inch. It's actually a 13, but a 1/2 inch will tighten it up. And that's it. Once this is tight, it's done. You put your cover back on. And you're good to go. No, we didn't think about that. So here's something to think about. Cover won't fit if that thing ain't to the side, so loosen it up. Bring it to the side so the cover can come down. I gotta quit hitting everything. Spark something. Put it to the side like that. Tighten it up. Alright, it's installed. Got a little cleaning up to do, but I'm not going to get to test it till I go pick up the trailer, because I got to learn how to use it, so that's the next step. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.